Do you have beef mince and potatoes in your house? Then you have to see this recipe. Add 700 grams of beef mince and 3 crushed garlic cloves. Add as well 1 chopped onion, 3 tablespoons of flour, half a teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of mild paprika, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of oil, some parsley, and 2 eggs. Mix the ingredients using your hands. Write in the comments below where you are watching us from, so I will personally thank you for following our videos. We are super curious. Make little balls using the whole mixture. Put them in a baking pan greased with oil. If you are still watching the video, you are loving the recipe. Then like the video and share it with your friends. It will help us greatly. In the center of each meatball, create a small hole using your finger. They should look like this. Now put them in an oven preheated at 390 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 minutes. While they are cooking, peel 4 big potatoes and mash them. Add black pepper, salt, 2 tablespoons of milk, and 80 grams of grated cheese. Mix well. Now create some small balls with this mash, as we did with the meat. Just this time, they have to be half the size. I've already taken the meatballs out of the oven, and now I'm adding the potato balls on top of them. Just follow what I'm doing. Now put 2 tablespoons of tomato paste and 200 ml of water, and pour the mixture on our dish. Finally, add grated cheese on top of it. I grated roughly 150 grams of cheese. Put everything again in the oven for 15 minutes to melt the cheese. And our recipe is ready. It tastes delicious, and it's perfect for your family. Try it at home. I'm sure you're gonna love it. I hope you liked the recipe. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.